All right, Elise, do your best.
Lean forward a little bit more. You gotta.
There you go. Aw, Rolly girl.
Lean forward a little bit. There you go. No, no.
Oh, hey, Caleb.
No, no. You're just going too far back. And there we go.
Oh, Caleb.
Is she being so funny?
Whoa.
Oh.
Caleb's a funny thing.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Caleb.
All right, Elise, this is serious. Put your arms forward.
Hold on to your feet. Hold on to your feet. That'll make it easier. Oh. Your legs there?
There you go.
Oh.
Are you even trying anymore? Are you even trying?
Hey, Dad, I'm only 5 months old. I'm not supposed to be.
Hey!
Oh.
And now she's
Whoa.
gonna crawl.
Good save, Daddy.
Roll over and crawl. Yeah. Did you get a picture, Kimberly?
I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay.
All right, ready, lady?
Meow. Meow.
She'll love you guys.
Good smiles. Whoa. Caleb, is she being so funny?
Here, do you want me to help you, lady? Oh.
Oh. Roly poly fluff. Roly poly fluff. That's how we learn, though, huh?
Okay. Now. There we go.
Roly.
Look at
There, just a little back rest. That's all we needed.
that. No.
Caleb.
It's more fun when she falls over, is what Caleb's thinking. Lady, go!
Good
Look at
job.
Look at that. Wow.